Wow! Samsung is super fast with the monthly security patch this time. And it's rolling out Google's August security fix for the Galaxy S8. And although the report doesn't say anything about the Galaxy S8 Plus, we are pretty sure the latter isn't left out, and it's getting the OTA updates as well. The patch has been spotted in Germany, with build number G950FXXU3CRGH, and it requires a 418 MB download. Aside from the security patch, the changelog mentions improvements for the game launcher. In any case, if you still don't see the update prompt, we recommend scanning for it manually by going to the Settings menu, then Software Update, and tapping on Download Updates manually. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.